Hi friends, you are highly welcome to my channel. If you are just tuning for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Mercy and God bless you. Thank you for stopping by. Alright, it's all about simple solutions to the challenges of life. Yes, in today I want to give you a revelation on how you can use coconut water. The hidden secrets of coconut water to bring peace, to restore peace into your home, into your marriage. Coconut water is a powerful water, is a spiritual fruit that has its own spiritual power of doing things, making things right. Alright? It has what it forbids. Coconut water forbids sin. You can't use coconut water to use it and do evil on somebody. It will not work. Okay? But use it to repair. You use it to repair what the enemy have done, the damage they have done. Now a lot of marriages is hell. The marriage, the spouse, there is no togetherness. There is no peace. There is no one body. Everybody is full of keeping secrets. The man is struggling for the marriage to work out. Problem. The woman is trying. Problem. You find out in your home, it has been fire, tongues from your flesh. When you are at work, you have peace. When you are approaching home, it's something else. You are going to meet that tigress. You need to try this coconut water. You find out that you are the type, money does not enter into that house. That house is always dry, no food. You use coconut water. You can do it even as a single. You can do it. For more abundant blessing to always enter your home, use coconut water. Now, as a spouse, you should know what your spouse needs. Know your love language. Know your love language. Be able to solve your problem, because out there are so many singles, so many young guys waiting to go in. So if you handle your man carelessly, somebody else will take over. If you handle your woman with attitude, another man will take over. I cannot go to mountain for marital settlements. But with this my mouth, I can give you solutions that will help you, and peace will reign in your home. You find out that when your spouse look at you, he look at it as if you are shit, as if you are smelling, as if nothing. He doesn't fancy you. He doesn't even recognize your sight. That you are inside the house, he does not even care. Now, not only your spouse, anyone that has been fighting you, when they enter your house, they will come in with peace. They want to make peace with you. When you go outside, people will embrace to make peace with you, because when they see the glory of God all over you. You are looking for a baby, use coconut water to welcome the spirit of children, angel of children, into your home. Okay? Now you are a married woman. Learn how to respect your husband. Learn how to satisfy your husband. Husband, satisfy your wife. Your sex issues, solve it yourself. Don't allow people to be preaching to you. Help yourself. Because every marriage has an issue. But with God, all things are possible. Now, how do we use this coconut water to do wonderful things in our marriage? Mysterious water. Get your coconut. Pray on that coconut before you break. Don't just take coconut and break. Hold coconut with your 2 hands. You coconut, hear the word of the Lord. As you, this water is mysterious. Mysteriously restore peace, affection to my marriage, to my home, blessing. After you pray, every difficulty barrier in me making it, in this home receiving joy. Some of you, every time your house is dry, no money in the pocket, no food at home, choose coconut water. You will break out that difficulty. As I break this coconut, I remove every obstacle on the way. So when you have opened the coconut, hold your coconut water with 2 hands. No water must drop on the ground. So when you want to break it, put it inside the plate so that any water coming will enter inside the plate. Then you break the coconut. Hold the coconut water and begin to pray. Make your declaration. Do you want baby? I invite the children of baby, the angels of children. I use this coconut water to bring my baby. You baby, I've been looking for you. I don't know what I've been chasing you from this house. What I've been chasing you from my home. As I use this water to clean this house, I rest mysteriously, I conceive. Everything that is causing dryness in this house, no money, no food, hardship, as I use this water, as this water is mysterious abundance begin to flow in my home. Everything causing me hatred and fighting with my spouse, as I use this water, mysteriously love and affection take over. My husband see me, he loves me. I see my husband, I love him. Being a man and a woman, you know your intention. You're going to pray. I bless my home today. I restore peace. Mysteriously, use that word. Mysteriously, let peace reign. You are a single lady. No man has knocked on the door. I want to marry. Mysteriously, let a man walk into this house and ask my hand for marriage. Yes. Your intention is your intention. It's not what I'm passing through, it's what you're passing through. Okay? You are going to pray your prayer in that coconut. When you are done praying, if you are married, you use that water. When you are cooking, drop it in the food. In your food, your stew, your soup, just a drop. Mysteriously. As you eat this food, you, my husband, that business, you will open the business. Money will enter your hand. You will speak into it. Drop in a bucket. Add water to it. Add salt to it. No soup. Mop your house. Mysteriously, abundant wealth, abundant peace, abundant prosperity, abundant blessing. It is written according to Psalm 23. The Lord is our shepherd, we shall not lack. No more lack in this house. No more peace, no more fighting, no more war. You will pray, you mop your house with coconut water. Okay. You are believing God for fruit of the womb. Take that water, sprinkle it on your bed, a little pack. As I lie with my husband, baby enter. I bless this bed to be productive. Anything that have been on this bed that is making when we have intercourse, nothing happened today, is broken. All right. You are the type, your spouse just hates you. People hate you for not just waiting. Your water, the remaining coconut water inside your water, you add salt to it. Mysteriously, people begin to love me. People begin to show me money. People begin to shower favor to me. People, my husband begin to, in fact, he will even lick the spit that I spat on the floor. That man that is threatening to divorce you, that woman that is threatening to leave you, every fire that is burning in the head will calm down. Every fire the enemy has set, evil fire, negative fire, the enemy has set in this house, as I mop it, I quench that fire. Fire of divorce, fire of separation, pack out, I'm not marrying you again. Fire, I hate you, you don't know anything. That fire quench. You quench that fire. No spirit, no man can stop it, because that water is a spiritual water on its own. Now, what do you do with the coconut? Use it to eat your food. Use it to eat your bread. Cook your coconut rice. Make your coconut oil. You use it to pray for blessing. I don't want to talk much, but you understand it. Because abundant wealth will enter your home in this month of favor. Psalm 102, verse 13. Read it inside the water. The Lord will arise and have mercy. It's time to favor this house with abundant blessing. It's time to favor me before my husband. See, when you use it to take your bath, you begin to attract your husband, you attract your spouse, you attract favor outside. Wherever you go, people will favor you. So that when you are in the house is secured, peace. You eat the food, peace. You take your bath, peace. Everywhere will be peace. So you know your case. You can do 3 days. You can do 7 days. You know your case. But once in a month, do this prayer so that you end up, you stop complaining about lack. House is dry, no business, no food, no money. That thing that is in your house, that is a negative vibration, that is causing all those dryness and lack, the Lord Almighty will destroy that power. Use that water, mysteriously restore peace, mysteriously to my home. That is the language, mysteriously. The same way this water is inside this coconut, mysteriously. Father, in a mysterious way. Let baby enter my womb. Let money begin to enter this house. Let food stop everything you desire in a mysterious way. Because when you enter in a mysterious way, no power can stop it. I will still bring you more on coconut water. But here, I rest my case. Give it a try and come and thank me later. Bye.